Hello friends, welcome to my channel Beginners Linux Guide. Today I am going to tell you how to find the help related to any comment, and I'm going to tell you how to change the permission of a file. So let's start with the video. So first of all, how to check who the user currently, say who am I. This is the user and this is the host name. If you type host name, you will see the host name like this. Then to find the help related to any command, you can type it like man space man means manual, then say ls. So you'll find all the options related to ls starting with a minus a, then double minus a, apart from that capital minus a. So you can go through one by one about it. If you keep pressing spacebar, you'll get all the details regarding the command. And to quit, you can press Q to quit from the manual. And related to any command, you can find like this way: say man space cat. So same way, it will show you all the details about the cat command, whatever the options available with cat minus b minus e minus capital E. So all the details you'll get it from here. From again to quit, press Q. So that is the way you can go through all about commands, to find the help about it, how to, if you don't know about the command in detail, so you can find out on your own. To learn more, say man space touch, there is another command touch. So same way we'll get all the helps and detail from here. Second, Q to quit. So that is all about man or manual. And now I'm going to tell you about the file permissions. So in Unix, Unix basically is a multi-user system. So every file and directory in your account can be protected from or made accessible to other users by changing its access permissions. Every user has a responsibility for controlling access to their files. Now, permissions for a file or directory may be restricted by three types. What are those? So first is read, which is represented by R. Next is write, represented by W. And third one is execute, which could be running a program or running anything else which is executable, represented by X. Now each permission RWX can be controlled at three levels. What are those? First is U, which means users, that is yourself. Second is group, can be people in the same project or any other department. And third one is other, which is represented by O, and everyone on the system. Now file or directory permissions can be displayed by running ls-l command. So let's start with it. ls-l, if you do, you'll see all these file permissions, right? So these are the files. So let's take this one, gems. This is a file. This is the file, right? This is a directory, this is a file. First dash means it's a file. Now next three characters, I mean from rw and dash, that is three will represent the permission for yourself, that is user. Then next three rw dash will represent the permission from group, and last three r dash dash will represent the permission for others, which means as a user you have only read and write permission, no executable for here. Same for the group. And the last one, which for others only read, no executable or write permission, right? So to change this permission, what we'll use the command called chmod, or sometimes it is called chmod, whatever you can call. So let's start with the that command. So now we'll pick the file gems, this one. Now to get the detail of it, again we'll type ls minus L, then gems, so that you'll get other details over here. So if you can see, the first dash means, as I said, it's a file. Second, three characters, which is the user permission. It is not a script or anything program is there, so that is the reason we don't have any executive permission over here. The user is this one, AS is the user, so he has the permission is RW only, read and write. Second three character is group for group. So for group also it is AS. That group is also having read and write permission, no execute. And last one is your others, like normal users whosoever is using. Those will have only the read permission, no read, no write or no executable. Only read permission is allowed for the others. Apart from that, we have the file creation date, which is June 5th. It is having 0 byte size and the time when it was created, and the name of the file is gems. So that's all of the detail about it. Now you're going to change the permission of this particular file. Then to do that, we'll use the command chmod. So now before I go ahead, I'll first clear the screen so that it will be easier to understand for you. So first we'll do ls-l. Then before running the command chmod, I want you to learn man space chmod to get the details about the command. So you should go through it on your own while you are practicing. Go through that in detail before hitting any command. It is very important to know about the command, what are the options, what are the arguments. You should know about it, then you go with the command. So I'm just quitting right now from here. So we'll do one thing. Now we have the permission, say for group RW, we have the permission only read and write permission. So now I want from this particular file, group does not have the write permission from here. So what do we'll do chmod and space group, which is represented by G, then minus W. That means I am removing the permission of write from this particular file. The file name will be gems, right? Hit enter and again do ls-l gems. Let's see now the difference. See, it was there that write permission for the group previously when we ran the command ls-l gems. Now we can see it has been removed, right? R only read permission is there, write permission is already been removed. Now again we'll do one thing. We'll again do for group, I will remove read permission as well. G minus R, hit enter, again do ls-l. See, I have also removed the read permission from here. So now I wanna give the permission for read and write for the group. For that, we'll do chmod then gr plus say rw then gems. Hit enter. Now ls-l. See, it was no permission was given in previous command, which is read write has been removed. Now I am giving again read write permission over here to the group. Now let's say I'll go with others, right? What I'll do chmod then say others, we have the permission for read, right? This one we have, we'll remove that permission. So what we'll do, O minus others represent by O, then minus R, then again file name. Let's see what happens. See, so read permission for others have already been removed from the file. So again we'll do another one more thing over here. We'll do others read permission plus R, again say write permission to the others to the file gems. Now see, So others have read and write permission now, but no executable. Say now I am want to give others also execute permission rwx gems. So this will be the command. Enter to ls-l. Now we can see owner is has only read write permission, group is having only rw read write permission, but the others is having read write and execute permission. Now we'll keep the file as it's same. Now you can see the color has been changed to James, right? It was white, now it has become green. Some Unix flavors is having this kind of color changing mode and all, as we have discussed in my other video. So what we'll do again, change the permission to same as it was, which means others does not have any read or write or execute permission. So we'll do that again. All that what we'll do, chmod, we'll just chmod then o minus ws, because we will have only permission, no write or execute permission for James as it was previously. So hit enter. We'll find the details now. See, it has been changed now again, as it was read write permission for owner, for group rw, and for others again only read permission, no write or execute permission, right? So now I'm going to change the permission for user, which is myself, right? RW. I'll be changing the permission for user chmod. I want to remove the read permission for the file, say. So what we'll do u minus r user minus r, then file name gems. Now let's see what happened. See, it was read permission for the user, now it is not having any read permission. So again I'm giving the permission to the user plus r user, I'm giving read permission gems ls minus l. Second, it has the read permission. Now what we'll do, I'll remove the permission for everybody read permission. I'll remove the permission for everybody. For that what we'll do here a means all I'm removing the permission for r, a minus r, then gems. Hit enter. See, now nobody has the read permission over here, right? R is removed from user, from group, and for others as well. So this R was completely vanished from the file. Now again I'm giving the permission to all for read. So what we'll do, a plus r gems, right? Hit enter. We'll get all the permissions now again back. So again this file has been given to all the permission as it was. So that's all about about files and all. Now we'll move on to the directories. So let's clear the screen first, and now we'll do ls minus l or ltr, whatever is preferable for you. So you can see over here that the directory is starting with d, right? Now this executable does not mean it has a script or something like that. It is only means we can cd into it, means we can go inside of the directory, because if it is not there then we won't be able to go into it. Let's try. Okay, let's try. So what we'll do, say we'll take up this directory sun. Okay, we have executable for user, then group, and also for others, right? So what we'll do, we'll remove the permission for that. Say chmod, then all minus x, then which directory, sun. Enter. Then ls minus l, sun, then do cd space sun. Why it is permission denied? Because we have removed the permission executable, right? So if you do Again, I'm giving the permission to all, which is chmod space all, then plus x to sun. So now let's check ls minus l if we do, or ltr if we do. You'll find sun has no executive permission, right? No x is there, not here, not here, not here. Now give executive permission once more. For that we'll do ch plus x sun, right? Then again ls minus ltr do, so it has executive permission now. Now it has executive permission. Now if we remove the permission, let's say remove once again, and do ls minus l for confirmation. Now we do cd space sun, cd sun. We'll get permission denied, right? Because we have removed all the executive permission from here. You can see no executable is there. Now we are giving the permission over here. Again, just putting a plus x to sun, enter, ls minus ltr, executable permissions are there now. Now try to do cd. It should go inside. Yes, it has gone inside. So that means if you have executive permission for all, it can go inside of the directory, right? So that is the concept behind it. So that's all about. So that's all folks for today. So if you like my video, please do like it, share it, comment it, and don't forget to press the bell button so that whenever I post a new video over here, you'll get the notification of it immediately. So thank you so much for being with me till the end of the video with patience. Thank you so much.